In Android, there is no way of running Python as a separate executable, and Python can run under Android only in embedded mode. There is no console where we could run separate executables such as pip or pip or Python. The way Python works in Android is by writing a native Android application that embeds a Python interpreter using libpython. Python code is invoked using the Python embedding API. The full Python interpreter, the standard library, and all the Python code that we write are then packaged into the Android APK. Fortunately, most of us don't have to do all of this manually, as a framework like Kivy takes care of compiling Python for Android.